Hello YouTube, I'm actually going to demonstrate a little bit of a repair. This is a unit that I'm doing some repairing to. It have some shedding. So I'm going to add a little hair right along this hairline. Just give you guys a little demonstration. I don't know if you guys can see really well, but I'm going to try my best. So you take the hair and a ventilating needle and you fold it in half. Find the hole where you want to ventilate in. Snap the hair, pull it back through, pull it back to tighten it. Same thing, repeat. You could do double knots or single knots. I normally like double knots in the back of my unit, single knots in the front, because it's less visible for the single knots in the front and double knots in the back. But be careful, because sometimes your needle can get snapped and it can get tangled, so kind of just pay attention to what you're doing. Again, I'm doing the same motion. I'm hoping that it's picking it up. It's the best I can do with the camera. Again, same motion, repeating it. So that's kind of a little bit of what you do as far as the repairs, depending on how much hair they wanted. I actually like mine's heavy in density because it looks more fuller, and I always add more hair down toward my back nape of the neck, because when you're using your glue, that part you seem to get a lot of shedding toward the back. So I always make that thicker, and I use bigger needles throughout the back to make it more fuller. So depending on what your clients want. But just a little repair, just adding some hair and some shedding areas. I hope you guys can see it. The camera sucks. Okay. Again, I'm repeating the same motion. So I'm almost out of hair that I picked up with. Have one little piece left. So, again, where's my comb? This is kind of sort of how I do the repair. Just a little small demo. I edit, well, it needs, more different hair, but that's sort of kind of how a repair goes. You're adding hair. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys can see, because I'm using my webcam. To me, it's not so clear. So, again, thanks for watching.